Next is the vector atom model. We have studied that is Bohr atom model, Sommerfeld atom model, but this does not explain the fine structure of spectral lines. Then to find the fine structure of spectral line and intensity of spectral line, a new model was introduced. That model was called what? Vector atom model. Then the vector atom model explains the spin of the electron and spatial quantization. First, the spin of the electron, that is, we know the electron revolves around the nucleus in various orbits. Due to this, it possesses orbital angular momentum. Then also the electron spin about the axis. Due to this, it possesses spin angular momentum. Therefore, the spin angular momentum will be and assign the value half into h cross, that is half into h by 2 pi. This angular momentum, this is called intrinsic angular momentum or intrinsic spin. But we know the orbital angular momentum, that is capital L, this is equal to r cross p. That is r means the position vector, p means linear momentum. But this intrinsic spin, it does not depend on r, that is position vector, and also the momentum, but it only depends on what h cross, that is h by 2 pi. Then that is then electron has negative charge, that is it is rotating. Then due to that, this electron produces a magnetic field, that is electron, it rotates and also it spins, therefore it produces what a magnetic field. Therefore due to this, it produces a magnetic moment. That magnetic moment is mu s. This magnetic moment is opposite to the direction of what the angular momentum ls. Therefore y means the electron charge is negative. Then if an atomic system, this is for one electron, if an atomic system, it consists of more than one electron, that is the spins will be what the vector sum of all the spin, that gives what intrinsic spin. That is for a system with, if there is odd number of electron means the vector sum will be an odd multiple of half h cross, that is 1 by 2, 3 by 2, etc. times h cross. Then if the atom has a even number of electrons means it has what the vector sum must be an integer, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 times h cross. The next is spatial quantization. That is the spatial quantization means that is an atomic system, that is an atom, it is placed in a magnetic field B. That is when it is placed in a magnetic field, its plane, that is it moves, the electron moves in one orbit, that is the plane of that orbit gets tilted. That is then this orbit, it is not oriented in one direction, but it is oriented in definite directions. That is this orient, but this does not happen, that is therefore this orientation is restricted. Therefore this restriction is called spatial quantization. That is this orientation is subjected, that is to a condition that if the angular momentum is projected to an external field, it must have some definite values. Therefore a condition is given, therefore the orbit of the electron is restricted. This restriction is called what is spatial quantization. Then some diagram is given. The next is the quantum numbers.